Hello and welcome to Sleepy Cosmos R7. I'm very happy that you came here. Maybe you've had a long and tiring day today. Maybe before falling asleep you want to listen to something that can calm the voices in your head, take you away from the rush of daily life, and help you relax. Maybe the mysteries of stars, galaxies, and the universe we live in have always fascinated you. Whatever the reason, tonight's journey will be a beautiful one for you. Right now, you don't need to do anything. Lie comfortably in your bed and slow down your breathing. Feel yourself becoming as light as a bird. Feel the tension in your body slowly fading away. Leave behind all the tiredness of the day, because tonight we are not just going to look at the stars. We will take a peaceful journey with you into the depths of our home galaxy, the Milky Way. Imagine a massive city of stars spinning in the darkness of space for about 13 billion years. Hundreds of billions of stars, invisible dark matter, giant gas clouds, and countless mysteries still unsolved. At first glance it may seem quite peaceful and calming, but in truth the Milky Way carries within it a story that holds the mysteries of the past. Tonight we will travel together through the spiral arms of the galaxy into its most mysterious regions. We will talk about wandering stars, invisible forces, and ancient remnants that challenge what we think we know. We will encounter black holes. We will see cosmic nurseries where stars are born. And we will listen to the unfinished story of a galaxy that is still growing. Maybe some things will shock you. Maybe they will leave a spark of curiosity in your mind as you fall asleep. Now we begin our journey. The interesting thing is that the Milky Way is not encountering a galaxy for the first time. In fact, the galaxy we live in today is the result of countless collisions and mergers that happened in the past. For billions of years, the Milky Way has pulled smaller galaxies into itself. It completely absorbed some of them. Others were slowly torn apart. Some of the stars we see in the sky today actually once belonged to those broken galaxies. Even now, the Sagittarius dwarf galaxy is slowly being torn apart. The gravitational pull of the Milky Way is forcing it to disintegrate and incorporate its stars into its structure. And the story doesn't end there. The Andromeda Galaxy, which we can see with the naked eye in the night sky, is also approaching us. For now, there is no need for concern, because this encounter will happen in about 4.5 billion years. But one day, the Milky Way and Andromeda will approach each other, their shapes will be distorted, and eventually they will become a single giant galaxy. The chance of stars actually colliding is extremely low, but the shapes of the galaxies will change forever. Maybe the universe keeps whispering the same thing to us. Nothing stays the same forever. Stars change, galaxies change, and the universe is constantly reshaping itself. It may be hard to believe, but some stars in the Milky Way may actually be older than the Milky Way itself. Think about that for a moment. Some of the tiny points of light you see in the night sky may have been born before our galaxy reached its current form. Because not every star in our galaxy was formed here. Some were born in other galaxies billions of years ago and later became part of the Milky Way during mergers. These ancient stars contain very small amounts of heavy elements, which shows that they formed when the universe was still very young. They are like silent messengers from the past. When we look at their light, we don't just see a star. We also see a story from the earliest times of the universe. Now let me tell you something else. Right now, without even realizing it, we are moving at an incredible speed. The Earth is rotating. The Moon is orbiting the Earth. And the entire solar system is traveling around the center of the Milky Way at about 828,000 kilometers per hour. This speed sounds unbelievable, But the galaxy is so large that one full orbit around its center takes about 225 million years. This is called a galactic year. In fact, since the formation of the solar system, we have only completed about 20 orbits around the Milky Way. So when dinosaurs walked on Earth, we were actually in a completely different region of the galaxy. And the stars we see today will not remain here forever. Everything is moving. Quietly, slowly, without stopping. Even while we sleep, the Earth keeps rotating. The Moon continues its journey, and the entire solar system moves silently through the galaxy. Moreover, the story of the Milky Way is still not complete. Our galaxy is still continuing to grow even today. It gathers gas from the interstellar void. It gains new stars from captured dwarf galaxies. And it is fed by invisible streams of dark matter.